This month, I automated an entire complex workflow for my business: product sourcing, supplier outreach, and influencer campaigns, all without hiring a single extra person. And I did it with a single tool that most people in the AI niche still don't know about. So how exactly was I able to successfully automate this entire workflow? It's called Axio Work, and it's the absolute most powerful business agent that I've seen to date. Don't think for a second that this is just some kind of chatbot where you just talk and interact with an AI. It's not even close to that. Imagine having a dedicated team of AI agents that executes tasks for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in whatever specific workflow you set up for it. Yes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, why it is so much more fascinating and unique compared to other AIs trying to do the same thing, and I'll demonstrate step by step how to automate a complex workflow that might normally need 2 people. But here we have Axio Work. For those who don't know Axio Work, it's the agentic workspace from Alibaba. Yes, Alibaba, the company moving over 100 billion in global trade with 26 to 28 years of B2B data. That means we have access to a massive database of over 1 billion index products and 50 million detailed business profiles. So Axio Work has a truly solid and formidable competitive moat behind it, and what it will do for us is provide intelligent agents that give us back our valuable time, which is exactly what we want, effectively optimizing our time through the platform's extensive resources and specialized digital agents. While popular AI models like Claude or ChatGPT, to name a few, are excellent at processing information, as forms of intelligence, they don't actually execute commands. Claude gives you a helpful answer, but Axio Work goes further by directly finding that answer, acting on it, and seamlessly executing whatever needs to be completed based on that information. What I really mean by that is if you are currently looking for a potential sponsor based in Japan for a very specific type of product, this system won't just provide you with a simple email address like a standard artificial intelligence system or give you basic social media data. Instead, it actually logs directly into your email account, carefully writes a personalized message, saves it as a draft, and then sends you a comprehensive report on the entire process. And this really makes it different because it leaves everything completely on autopilot. It writes to clients, answers them, negotiates prices, and sends you the report. Ultimately, Axio Work isn't for novices just starting out who want to experiment a bit with AI. It's for those who already have a business and want to scale it up. And above all, the very first thing needed is to maximize your time management efficiency, since you'll definitely need a vast array of essential resources, and this platform provides exactly that. So, roughly speaking and in short, there is simply no comparison whatsoever with competitors when it comes to executing all commands rather than just responding instead of wasting your precious time in a chat. What Axio Work does is directly fulfill all possible working hours and fully automate them for maximum productivity. I should emphasize that you'll find an extra special bonus unlock in the description below along with my personal code to download it directly via the provided link. Okay, once we're successfully inside the Axio Work dashboard, we'll have this specific section right here, which is the dedicated agents section. Then we'll also go to the skills section, the connectors section, abilities. You see, it's amazing and super simple. We have different ones. For example, as you're seeing here, we have the Axio, which is the AI assistant from Alibaba. Then we have a Shopify operator suitable for beginners, and then we have the e-commerce mind and the programmer. But of course, we could develop a specialized additional agent tailored specifically to our needs if one of these wasn't the one we were looking for or requesting. In this case, we could create a completely original and unique one. We could make a blank agent or construct a custom one from scratch. For example, a highly skilled e-commerce specialist. Let's create an entity for it. We have it right here. Let's make it professional. We're going to call our loyal, trusted agent Jarvis. We select the tools, we select the skills. For now, we'll leave them as default user profile. And well, we'd already have our dear Jarvis made. Now, what makes each agent special are its skills. Think about it for a moment. It is essentially like a professional resume, filling it up with all kinds of diverse abilities. This is exactly where we will store all the skills and the tools our automated agent will learn to then perform all the complex processes without you having to do absolutely anything at all. Because as I've told you, here it gets executed. There are endless skills, but if that wasn't enough, you could also upload your own to give them to your autonomous agent. As soon as there was one that interested us, we'd simply install it. And so on with all the ones we want for that agent. And just a reminder that each agent can have personalized skills different from another. And here's where we have the bombshell. So what do we do? Once we have our agents, we create one, we customize it, and we generate skills for it. But what can we link it to? With the platforms? Or in this case, we could link it with Alibaba, we could now link it with different social networks, or with Gmail. Soon they are going to be linked with many more others that are going to be very interesting. And this is where you could create an agent that would team up with another so that the skills of one would synergize with the skills of the other. As you link these various connectors, you'll be able to utilize them fully, and it'll be able to automatically read and process, for example, DMs on Instagram, reply to DMs, or directly write a DM to someone. Or also search for and identify micro-influencers, in my case, if that's what I specifically wanted. Or look for what's trending the most right now in terms of virality from people who have many views for few followers. Do automatic follow-ups, an endless number of things that you could be wasting hours and hours on during the day. And then we'd have the channel selection where you could connect, for example, me to Jarvis or any agent, and we could connect it with Discord, with Telegram, with WhatsApp, and so on. So for example, if we wanted to configure the Telegram one, we'd select which one we want. In this case, we have Jarvis. We could configure the bot how we want to do it, which is very easy through BotFather. So simply with the new bot, we have to select the token that we're going to have to add here. Then it would connect directly with Telegram, and we'd already have it connected to our assistant Jarvis. And now everything would be ready so that with Jarvis, with the phone, from home or out on the street, communicating with him, I could directly do and find out about everything. Have him send me a report or whatever I wanted, and have it controlled while being out. Alright, let's see what Jarvis has to say about it. Regarding our Shopify store for small fashion accessories and having it find the 3 products with the highest profit margin and the lowest market competition, things that would normally take us forever to finish. We're talking about hours and hours and hours and hours of work. And besides that, obviously it is having it draft professional negotiation emails asking for a 15% discount and sending them directly via Gmail when they are finally ready. Wait to see. Well, while it is searching, it is also extracting specific data from Alibaba and asking me for permission to write them in order to find these specific projects. And this is exactly where the magic happens. With all the complex steps it is generating for me in a completely automated way. So it tells me the product, it tells me the exact email it's going to write, and then it asks if I authorize it to handle this entire workflow automatically on its own. What exactly has it extracted for me? It has gathered data that would normally take me a very long time to find, which is identifying all these products that are currently winners along with their real contact emails to be able to write to them. It generates the emails itself. It's going to try to negotiate those deals and close them for me. And from Telegram, if I want at any point, I can ask how it's going or what the current situation is. It did all this in just 1 minute, something that would have taken me 20 or 30 hours. And not only that, I've also asked it to do it through Instagram. The more networks we cover, the much better. And it's given me a report. It found 2 out of the 3. I went to Instagram to verify it, and yes, it actually wrote them with some real guts. But besides that, something very interesting too, if you haven't been blown away enough, is that we also have scheduled tasks. And we can have our dear Jarvis, for example, run this automation every day, say at 8 in the morning or every Monday, and send us a report every Friday, for instance, and do it every day. For example, have it give me a summary of the day to keep things a bit under control. And I'm also very interested in it monitoring the competition, so let's create that too. In the end, with Axiowork and thanks to Alibaba, with everything behind it, like the Alibaba data moat we mentioned at the start, as well as the execution of operations rather than just recommendations, which other AI would do, and the enterprise security it offers, of course, with this massive infrastructure. And the fourth, the most incredible one, you can use it wherever and however you want. Completely customizable for you. And you have the free trial. And you have it all here in the description. So I think if you want to take the big step and you feel experienced enough and aren't just, well, starting out, but anyway, here on the channel we're all pretty much learning a lot, you'll see that it's very easy to use in my opinion. I'm telling you, just 3 days ago I didn't know anything either, and right now I feel capable of automating processes that aren't too complicated. But for me personally, checking emails every day, replying to them, looking for new clients, and offering them new products could easily take me 6 or 8 hours. Or even worse, having to hire someone and spending $500, $800, or even $1,000, or the cost of 1 or even 2 full-time salaries. And right here is my dear Jarvis, which I've shown you in this video, but you could have 20 Jarvises, of course, each doing something different, as if you had 10 employees without paying for 10 employees. You'd have it all here with Axiowork. But I truly hope you enjoyed the video. We've shown a little bit of everything, and if you want to know much more, download it down below. See ya. I'm aidotha. Bye-bye.